the Zagros area, Mishia Spring is a permanent spring where water never stops running. Located 4 kilometers northeast of the city of Sisacht in Kohgiluyeh Ahmad province, the spring is famed for its fresh air. Running along a steep and long ravine, the spring's clear water decorated the valley as if there were strings of pearls. The spring's water is sourced by melting snow. After the snow on the Dena heights are melted, they cross the mountain to be cleared naturally and flow into Mishia Spring. That explains why the spring's water is so clear and tasty. The water is so cold that one cannot hold his hand in it as far away as 800 meters from the source.
کوگیلویه رحمت همونطوری که از اسمش پیداست، اطراف کوگیلویه برجستگی یا کوههای زیادی وجود داره که به طبیعت 4 فصل معروف است. ما در فصل زمستان میتونیم تو منطقه گرمسیر یا جنوب استان بریم که اونجا بسیار گرم است و در ماهای بهمن و اسفند سرسبزی وجود دارد، در صورتی که تو منطقه بویر احمد یا رشته کوه دنا پوشیده از برف و یخ هستش.
We continue our trip crossing northern and central mountains of Kohgiluyeh Ahmad to reach the southernmost part. Moderate climate gives way to an arid area. Our destination is a green gem shining in the heart of desert. Marin village is located 36 kilometers north of Gashsaran and 198 kilometers southeast of Yosuj, the provincial capital. This village is historically significant. The royal route linking Susa to Persepolis and Bishapur during the Achaemenid era crossed part of the village. Hundreds of old trees have their branches crossed together, creating roofs for narrow alleys until they reach the riverside at the end of the ravine. Another tourist attraction is Kosar Dam, lying 17 kilometers from Marin. The dam has been constructed 60 kilometers northwest of the city of Dogombadan, and more specifically over Khairabad River in the city of Gashsaran. Inaugurated in 2004, the dam supplies water to 2.5 million residents in the provinces of Hormuzgan, Bushehr, Khuzestan, and Gashsaran. Variety of migratory birds, moderate climate conditions, calm environment around the spring, and the beautiful nature of the area have made it a unique tourist attraction in southern Iran. If you happen to visit Kohgiluyeh and Boyer Ahmad province, and in particular the city of Gaysaran, don't hesitate to see Kausar Dam.
Horseback archery is a mounted martial art rapidly growing in popularity with many competitions held all over the world. Once an essential technique for hunting, protecting herds, and for war, it was a defining characteristic of Iranian peoples in antiquity, later spreading to the Mongols and the Turkic peoples during the Middle Ages.
مطلب مهمی که هست اینه که تاثیرگذار بوده این فرم کمان روی خیلی از کمان‌های سنتی دنیا. مثلا کمان‌های کره، عرضم به خدمتتون بخش زیادی از کمان‌هایی که قوم مهاجر سکا رفتن تا در حقیقت اروپا، الان کمان‌هایی که توی مجارستان مثلا استفاده میشه باز بیسش همین کمان ایرانی هست. باعث افتخار فکر کنم هر ایرانی باشه که ما تو غار دوشه لرستان غارنگاره‌ای داریم که یک سوارکار کمان دستشه، صحنه شکارگاه، 10,000 سال تاریخ این نقش.
These horses run and sweat a lot. Therefore, they need to be groomed at least twice a day.
Horseback archery, which is also called mounted archery, is a great new challenge even for the best rider, as it is for the horse.
با این کار ما اون پارازیت‌های پوستی، عرق، گرد و خاکی که هستش رو از بدنشون جدا می‌کنیم. این کار باعث نوازششون میشه، خونرسانی بهتری انجام میشه، خستگیشون زودتر در میره و یه ارتباط عاطفی هم باهاشون برقرار می‌کنیم که چون که ما به هر حال احتیاج داریم به اینی که یه رابطه‌ای با هم دیگه داشته باشیم، فرمون ما رو ببره. این کار باعث میشه ما با هم دیگه نزدیک بشیم، به هم دیگه عادت بکنیم.
Obviously, the sport requires special equipment, taking into account the challenges that both the horse and the rider are facing. Even the saddles that are used are different from ordinary ones.
در حقیقت این زین‌ها با توجه به گستردگی سطحی که دارن و لایه‌ای که زیرشون هست، لایه‌ای هست که معمولاً الیاف طبیعیه، باعث میشن که وزن سوار تو سواری دراز مدت بهتر پخش بشه. گستردگی وزن روی سطح وسیع‌تریه و باعث امنیت بیشتری برای کمر اسب.
Training the horse is an important part of the process. As with any new experience, each aspect of the sport, including the course, the equipment, and the sound and the sight of shooting, should be introduced to the horse separately. But the first step, of course, is brushing up your own archery skills, something that interestingly many women in Iran are taking up. But even for longtime archers, shooting up to 5 arrows at targets 30 meters behind you while riding a galloping horse is a great challenge.
این ورزش یه نیازمندی بالایی توی هماهنگی عصب عضله داره. این باعث میشه که علاوه بر این که اون دقت ماکسیموم از ما انتظار دارن اساتید توی این ورزش، به اون توانایی کنترل اسب هم باشه. یعنی این تلفیق اینا و این ورزش ترکیبی که خیلی سخته تو دید اول و واقعا هم اینطوره، باعث میشه که شما واسه رسیدن به اون هدفتون بتونید که نیازمند تلاش بیشتری باشید و این سختیه، این چالشه خیلی جذابه.
Archery and riding are art forms in their own, each taking a lifetime to understand and master. Before the students can earn the title of horseback archer, they have to be able to demonstrate their proficiency, putting their riding skills to work while their conscious mind focuses on aiming and shooting the bow.
Horseback archery has introduced a new kind of rider, one that is not concerned only with how pretty or well-bred the horse is, but how dependable it is.
Gisumisha Ahmadi for Iran.